Good morning. In the last session, we discussed about input output functions, type conversion techniques, relational and logical operators. Today, we are going to discuss how to execute the programs, some sample programs on input output functions, type conversion techniques. To write the C programs, we are using the Turbo C++ compiler. Open the Turbo C++ compiler. Click on the file menu, new. It opens the Turbo C editor, new file. Maximize this file by clicking this arrow symbol. Now we will write a program to read a character and print a character using the getChar function and putChar function. Hash include stdio.h. Stdio.h is the standard input output header file. It is used to add, include standard input output library files to your program. The basic input output library files are printf function, scanf function, and getchar, putchar, gets, puts functions. Hash include is the preprocessor directive. Main main is used to tell the compiler it is the starting of the program. Every C program must contains one main function. Before that, we will save this file. Click on the file menu, save option, give the name as io dot c input output, or else we can give get get c h dot c getchar. For remembrance purpose, for our convenience purpose, we are giving the file name getch getchar function. Click on OK. The file is saved as getch.c file. Now type the program. Declare a character by using the character keyword A. For storing, reading the character and store the character in A, we are using the character variable A. Printf \n for new line, \n double quotes semicolon. The printf function to print the control string, unchanged control string on the screen. Here \n is the escape character To get a new line, we use the \n. Printf enter any character \n. In the control string, we wrote enter any character. To interact with the user, we are printing this text, this string on the screen. After printing this string on the screen, user will enter a character. To store that character, to read that character, we use normally scanf function. But our example is using the getChar function. So I use a is equal getChar function semicolon. The syntax, the general form of the getChar function, it reads a character and store that character in a character variable. A is a character variable declared in this program. After storing this character, we will print the character printf \n entered string, entered character is putchar. Now we are using putchar function to print the character. The general form of the putchar is putchar character variable within the parenthesis. This is the end of the program. So these are the instructions to read a character using the getChar, to print a character using the putchar function. Now save the program, click on the file menu, click on the save option and compile the program by clicking on the compile menu or by using the shortcut key Alt F9. I am compiling the program. It is showing with some errors. The compilation is completed with some warning, one warning. So ignore this warning and run the program by using the menu or by using the shortcut key Ctrl plus F9. This is the program. The program is executed. In the first printf, we wrote some stars, that is printed as is. In the second printf, we wrote enter any character and the cursor is waiting because after the second printf, we wrote getChar function. GetChar function is a reading function to read the character through the keyboard. So it is waiting. I will enter a character or press enter. The program getChar function reads the character and we will see the output on the screen whether the putchar function is executed or not. To see the output, go to the click on the window. User screen is there. The shortcut is Alt F5. This is the entered character is R. If you observe the output screen, in the first printf we print stars. In the second printf we interacted with the user, enter any character. The user entered. The R is stored in the character variable A, which was declared in your program. After storing that character, again we wrote one printf, entered character is, and by using the putchar function, we wrote putchar function of A. We are printing the character stored in the character variable, that is R. In this way, the getchar and putchar function is work. The getchar, if you observe, the getchar function reads the data, reads one character and store that character that is assigned to a character variable. The putchar function print one character that is stored in a character variable. This is about the getchar and putchar functions. Kindly note down this program. Okay, completed. Now we will see the next program, how the getS function and putS functions will work. The getS function is used to read a string. PutS function is used to print a string on the screen. As we discussed in the last sessions, getS function is used to read a string. PutS function is used to print a string on the screen. The usage of the getS is very useful. Instead of printing the each and every character or reading a character one after one, it will take a long time. It is a lengthy procedure. Instead of reading a single character, we want to read a string, we use the getS function. By using this getS function, we will read entire string at a time. Using the putS function, we will print a entire string at a time. In a single line, we will read the string and we will, in a single line, by using this putS function, we can print a string at a time. It is easy and convenient to the user, flexible to the user. We will solve the simple example how getS and putS functions will work. For that, I am going to file menu, click on the file menu. new, select new option. It opens the new file. Click on Alt F, select, save, give the file name gettys, because we are working on gettys function. So to illustrate the gettys function, that's why I am giving the file name as gettys.c. Click on OK. Hash include stdio.h. To include the standard input output header files, we use the header file stdio.h. Main. Every C program started with main function. I am declaring, this is the new thing for you, character of A of 50. This is a character array. It is a character array. In the next sessions, we will discuss the arrays, but you just remember the word array. Array is used to store similar type of elements with a common name. Array is used to store similar data types or similar elements with a common name. Here, character A, all of you know, declaring a character variable. Now I am declaring character A of 50. I am declaring characters of 50 characters with the name, a common name A of 50. A of 0 will store the first character. A of 1 will store the second character. A of 2 will store the third character. A of 49 will store the fifth character. This is the common name. In the later sessions, we will discuss briefly in depth about the arrays. Just you remember this character array. Next, printf. \n, enter any string, \n, semicolon. This control string is printed on the screen to interact with the user, to ask the user enter any string. Now we are using getS function. GetS, get a string, read a string, and store that in A. Within the parenthesis, we will write this getS of A. It reads the string from the keyboard and store that string in the character array A. Printf, next line, printf \n is used to get the new line. To print the text or control string on the new line, we use the \n. Entered string is double quotes, semicolon, print a string from where it is printed. It prints from the character array. End of the program. This, and once again go to the file menu by Alt F, select the save option, The file is saved again. Now go to the compile menu and compile the program. Now it is showing, after compilation, it is showing the information, how many lines are compiled, warnings and errors. Here errors are 0, warnings 1. So ignore the warnings and press any key. This is the program compilation is completed. Now run the program. To run the program, click on the run menu and select the run option. Click on it. Program is run. On the output screen you will find previous program outputs. Now enter any string is there. It printed any string. So government of Telangana. I entered the string government of Telangana. Press enter. The program executed. To see the output, Alt F5 or open this one user screen. Now observe, we entered government of Telangana. The entered string is government of Telangana. Now the getAs function reads the string and store that in the character array A. The putAs function reads the string from the character array A and printed on the screen government of Telangana. This is the program. Once again we'll check this one again by adding one more printf. Printf double quotes \n program to illustrate getAs and putAs functions. And semicolon. Go to the file menu, save this program, compile the program, no errors. Now run the program. Program run, enter a string. Here you observe program to illustrate getAs and putAs functions. Enter any string. Now I am entering Polytechnic Warangal. Enter. Now we will see the output. Alt F5. Entered string is Polytechnic Warangal. This is about the note down the program. All of you note down this program. Now we will see some examples on type conversion techniques. How the type conversion is converting the one data type into another data type is called the type conversion. There are three types of type conversion methods we discussed. First one is the type conversion by assignment operator. Second one, type conversion in expression. Third one, type conversion using typecast operator. You will see these three conversion methods with examples. Click on the file menu. Take a new file by using the new option. The new file is opened. Type a program to illustrate type conversion by assignment. Hash include stdio.h for including the library files. Main function. C program must have one main function. I am declaring one variable integer int. If you observe, the keywords are displaying with some different color. Int, it is a keyword, white color, highlighted. X is equal to 5. I am declared one integer variable x and assigned as initialized 5. I am declaring one more variable float y and assigned 2.5. X is equal to y. Now here the conversion is happened by using the assignment operator. The declared variables x and y are different data types. X is a integer variable, y is a floating point variable. Now I am assigning floating point variable to the integer variable. The compiler by default, whenever such statements occur, such instructions occurred, executed, it truncates the floating point number to integer number and assigns that value to the variable. Here x is a integer variable and y is a floating point data type variable. Here floating point variable is assigned to the integer variable. The floating point number is truncated and converted as integer number. By truncating the decimal point, it becomes the integer number. That integer number is assigned to the integer variable. This type conversion is called as implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion. It is called also type conversion by assignment operator. Using the assignment operator, we are converting the one type of data into another type of data. We will check whether the data floating point number is truncated or not. We will see using the printf function. Printf value of x is, by using the conversion character percentage %d. Percentage %d is used to print the integer variables. n for getting the new line. Value of x is %d for corresponding variable x. Printf \n value of x, y. We will see y value also is percentage f. This conversion character percentage f is used to print or read floating point number. The corresponding variable is y, x. So printf \n type conversion by assignment. Type conversion by assignment. Double quotes printf. Okay. After that, closing the program. Now save the program. Give the file name assign.c. The program saved. Run the program, compile the program, compile. It checks whether any errors are there, compile, and it creates the .obj file for this program. Press enter and run the program. There are one error is there. It's showing one error. Assign.c function should return a value. Linker error undefined symbol printf. Undefined symbol underscore printf is there. Where is that? We will check. We will cross check. Where is the underscore printf? So this is here. We wrote the character printf. F2 save and run the program. Alt R. Now we got. Now we will see the program output. Yes. The type conversion. On the output screen, you observe type conversion by assignment. Value of x is equal to value of y is 2.500 is there. If you observe the program, x is assigned as 5, y is assigned as 2.5. In the next instruction, x is equal to y. It is a statement. Conversion is happened in this statement. X is a integer, y is a floating point number. So type conversion by using the assignment operator we achieved. In the x value, it stored 2 Actually, the y value is 2.5. Because of the data type difference, the value is truncated to integer and stored in the x integer variable. Now we will see one more example how the conversion is happened in expression, type conversion in expression. We will see, take one more file, type the program hash include stdio.h main. Every C program must started with main function. I am declaring short integer a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 2500, float c is equal to 25013. Every instruction must be ended with semicolon. Float d is equal to 100.07 semicolon float x. For understanding purpose, I am declaring these variables individually. We can declare c, d, x variables in a single line as like float c, comma d, comma x. We can write like this also, but for understanding purpose, I am declaring these variables individually. I declared these variables x is equal to a plus b plus c plus d semicolon. Here I declared 5 variables a, b, c, d, x. These all are different data types. A is a short integer. It requires only 1 byte of memory. B is integer variables. It requires 2 bytes of memory. Float C, float D, float X. These 3 variables are float variables. These require 4 bytes of memory for each. In this assignment, in this expression, what I am doing, I am adding different data type variables. After adding that variables, storing that resultant value in float. In these 4 variables, a, b, c, d, a is a short int, b is a integer, c is a float, d is a float. The higher, while converting in expression, it will looks higher variable, higher range, float, short int, integer and float. Float requires higher memory. In this, one of the variable is higher, the remaining variables will be converted to in that data type. These remaining variables short int and short integer will be converted to float. After converting these variables into integer, it will be added and the resultant value is stored in the float variable in x. We will see the output by using the printf value of x is the program. Now Alt F to save the program. We'll save this program as exp expression dot c. Press enter. Alt C, compilation. Compiled. We have two warnings now, but there are no errors. Warning 1, function should return a value. Main function should return a value. Warning, x is assigned a value that is never used. Okay, that is not a problem. It is giving the error as x is assigned a value that is never used in your program. That is not a problem. Run the program. Okay, program was run. We will see the output. Yes, something is happened. Alt C will run the program again. We'll see the output window. Value of x is 2505. This is the output. To exit from this, we use Alt F, Alt X shortcut. Yes. In the next session, we will discuss typecasting. How to convert the data types by using the typecasting operator. Up to now, we practiced how to use the getChar function and putChar function, how to use the getS and putS functions, how the data is converted by using the assignment operator, conversion by assignment operator, and conversion by using the expression. We did these 4 programs in this session. In this next session, we will practice how to convert the data types by using the typecasting operator. Thank you.